Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data, back up everything to an external drive or cloud, and confirm the copies. Next, create a Windows 10 installation USB using the Media Creation tool on an 8+ GB stick. This is required because Windows 11 cannot revert without installation media. Make sure you have your Windows 10 product key and download drivers for your hardware. Once done, reboot into UEFI/BIOS to set USB as first boot device, and save changes before continuing. Boot from the prepared Windows 10 USB and choose Custom. Install Windows only. At the partition screen, identify and delete the partitions used by Windows 11. This removes the old OS. Then create a new partition in the freed space and format it. Proceed with installation. Windows will copy files and restart several times. After the installer finishes, immediately install chipset, graphics, and network drivers you downloaded earlier. Make sure to sign in and run Windows Update to bring system files and drivers up to date. Once Windows 10 is installed, restore your personal files from the backup and reinstall your applications, verifying licenses as needed. Run Windows Update and open Device Manager to confirm there are no missing or flagged drivers. Install vendor drivers if anything looks off. If the system fails to boot, return to UEFI and confirm the boot order, then try repairing startup from the Windows 10 USB. And if drivers cause instability, boot safe mode and reinstall the proper drivers. This single clean install route fully removes Windows 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.